Ya, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. So, in this video, I would like to show you and explain to you about my news project that is Islam video app that I made using Codewar. So now, without further ado, I'll just go to the explanation. Okay, so this is the app in Codewar. Uh, for the viewer, we use I use Microsoft Surface 3 because it is more wider, so I could add more component. Okay, so from up here, first I use a horizontal arrangement here, and then in this one and this one, the Quran and a profile icon. I get it from flaticon.com. You can get many icon here. For example, just search Quran, and then there are many icons here. Name is flaticon.com. And then here, this is so is the space for so to give space for the text here. For the text here, I use label, and this is the name of the app that I give. That is Imanify. With the aspect of Islam, and then almost like Spotify. And then another space to give space to this image. So this image is to give like the audio image. For example, here we are playing Surah Al-Fatihah from Sheikh Ishari Rashid. This is the image of the audio, the space, and this is like the translation or like the subtitle for the uh, audio. This is the translation in Indonesia. This is in Arabic. Another space again, and then there is this slider to show how long the progress is. The progress of the audio is. Then another space, and then this there's a small space here, and then we use another horizontal arrangement. It and you can see here, just like this. So this is another horizontal arrangement to show how long we go to the audio, and then this is the how long the audio is. And then next another space, and then this is one of the most important thing in the app. This is a horizontal arrangement, and then there is this the icon for the audio. So this is to arrange to repeat the audio. This is to pause the audio. This is to play the audio. This is to stop the audio, and then this is to shuffle. If you have a playlist shuffle or a library, we use horizontal arrangement here. And then the icon, we don't get it from that icon anymore. We use it from material symbols and icons. Here you can see I just search material icons in your browser, and then go to Google Fonts material icons. And there are many things here. And the component here, we also use button the font we change to material icons, as you can see. And then to determine or choose what icon do you want to use, just here text it here or put it here, the name of the material icon. This and this also is, then shall search. For example, this is called shuffle, and then search here shuffle. eh, nah, this is shuffle. Then you just type it here, change the font to material icons, and then you get this result. Also the same with all icons here. Then next we another space is another space, and then another horizontal arrangement. Horizontal arrangement. This is then like the show what audio we use or we are hearing. Yeah, we are listening to. Like for example, this is Surah Al-Fatihah from Sheikh Syed Rashid. This is the image for the audio, the space, and then another icon to pause and skip the audio. And then the last here is another horizontal arrangement for the app icon. For example, we can use the icon if you want to go to the home page and search for audio. This is to go to the library. of the app, and then listen to profile. Uh, yeah, okay, that's all for the UI. And now I'm going to explain to you about the blocks. This is the box, the blocks. So, as you can see here, first, when screen one initialize, set the resource of the so when the app is on, the later there will be a player also. Okay, wait. No. At the end, we also use a backend component which is notifier and player. As you can see here, notifier and player. It is a backend component, so it doesn't show on the UI interface. Okay, after I already explained this, it is just when the app turn on, enter the player one source go to default, and then when button play click, this is when the play button get click, which is this button, later player one will start, and then notifier will turn on and show text video is playing. Button pause, and then next to the button pause, which is this button, yeah. If button pause click, later the player one will stop, and it will turn on the notifier again, and then it will show the text video is paused. And then button stop, which is to stop the audio. I think is the button, yeah. And then it will turn on the stop, and then set the position zero. So the audio will go to zero again. And then like the box before, it will turn on the notifier and show the text video stop. And then the last is when screen one take press or the app is closed, enter the audio will then they will stop and notification. And also for the audio, I download it from a website that you can just search if you want an audio. Yeah, this is some of the icon that I use, like around the icons. This the image for the audio that can be showed here, and then this is the MP3 or media for the output. This the audio that we'll be using. Okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you all for watching and listening. And last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everyone. So this is the app, and now I will show you when the audio is what played and then pause also, and like that. And as you can see, there is also a notifier here. Radio is playing, and when it is paused, there's also a notifier that the audio is paused. Okay, that's all for the demo, and yeah.
Okay, that's all from me. Thank you all for watching and listening. And as I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.